Introducing the E-Cloth Kitchen Pack, which includes one durable kitchen cloth with special scrubbing pocket and one glass and polishing cloth. A specially developed pack to effortlessly clean all kitchen surfaces and appliances to leave a sparkling finish. So, how does it work? The kitchen cloth removes thick grease and dirt and also features a special non-scratch scrubbing pocket to remove any spots of really stubborn dirt. Just wet under a tap, squeeze out excess water, fold and effortlessly remove thick grease, dirt and over 99% of bacteria, including E. coli and Listeria, from all kitchen worktops and appliances. Loosen any patches of stubborn, stuck-on dirt using the non-scratch scrubbing pocket. Then with the cloth, wipe away the loosened debris. The kitchen cloth is great for cleaning worktops, taps, sinks and drainers, and stainless steel, chrome or painted appliances such as ovens, fridges, microwaves, toasters and more. On brushed stainless steel, remember to wipe in the direction of the grain to achieve the best result. The exceptional performance of the glass and polishing cloth creates an outstanding sparkling finish on all stainless steel, glass and chrome surfaces, leaving them gleaming and smear-free. And remember, all E-cloths are guaranteed for 300 machine washes, so you can use them time and time again and find out why E-cloths are the revolutionary way to clean.